Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a link to your Behance project. This is a super useful feature when you want to direct viewers to your portfolio, social media, or any related content. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to navigate to the top of your screen and hover your mouse over the Share Work option. Once you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Project to start creating or editing your Behance project. This is where you'll be able to customize and add all the elements you need for your presentation. Now direct your attention to the right side of your screen. You'll see various tools and options available for building out your project. Look for and click on the text option. This tool allows you to add written content to your project, whether it's descriptions, captions, or in this case, clickable text that will serve as your link anchor. Once you've clicked on text, a text field will appear where you can input whatever you'd like. Go ahead and type in something like "click here" or "visit my website" or any other text that clearly indicates to viewers that it's a clickable link. This text will act as the visible part of your hyperlink. Next, you'll need to highlight the text you just entered. Simply click and drag your cursor over the words to select them. This tells Behance exactly which part of your text should become the clickable link, so make sure you've selected all the text you want to be interactive. After highlighting your text, look towards the top of the editor where you'll find various formatting options. Click on the link icon, which typically looks like a chain or hyperlink symbol. This will open a small window or field where you can input your desired URL. Now, paste or type in the full link URL you want to attach to your text. Make sure the URL is correct and complete, starting with https:// or www. depending on the website. Once you've entered the link, click the Done button to apply it. Your text is now a functional hyperlink that viewers can click to visit the destination you specified. And that's it. You've successfully added a clickable link to your Behance project, making it easier for your audience to explore more of your work or connect with you elsewhere. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.